Hi guys, Jeffrey Prowse here again. Just out doing a wedding shoot in Musgrave Arbor, Newfoundland. On the way back home, this is Sunday the next day, I decided to take a little walk. So I made a 5 to 8 minute walk in the woods to this little waterfalls just outside of Grand-falls-Windsor, next to the water slides. First time I've been in here, and when I got in is a very tight squeeze to lift the drone off, and even worse again to land. There's a lot of trees, a lot of vegetation. I put my cover of my case down on the ground and I sized up the area, and I noticed I could possibly go straight up through, so that's what I proceeded to do. And I was a little bit nervous. It was a tight situation here, and although I didn't quite get the video I would like to have gotten, considering not only was it a tight situation, but I only had 50% battery from the weekend and I didn't get a chance to charge up my batteries, so which means I may have to go back again to do justice to this waterfalls. I had no GPS signal, so I'm doing full manual control. I guess where I'm down in the valley here, that I couldn't get no satellite signal, no satellite service, so I'm full manual. The great thing about these drones, especially the one I have here, the Inspire 2, she do hover quite well and maneuver quite well even when there's no GPS lock. Anyhow, here's the waterfalls, and hopefully I can get back and do justice to this waterfalls in the near future. And here you will see, I'm trying to squeeze her down through the trees here now where I took off. I'm fairly close to some of these trees and squeezing down. A little bit too close for comfort there, so I'll back up and down a little more, give her a little spin to fair her up with the cover of the case, and here we go, just a little movement, line her up, and down she goes right about . There we go. Perfect. Not a perfect landing, but a landing nonetheless. Off this little waterfalls just outside of Grand-falls-Windsor. Thanks for watching. See you next time.